Welcome to my home series and let's cook along with me and simplify cooking. My kids love chicken and I do also. So I make them in a batch, marinate it and keep it so that whenever anybody wants it, we just cook it. So I have taken some chicken breast pieces and some chicken thigh also. Breast pieces are very, I made it into small cubes because I just wanted to finish cooking in less than 10 minutes. You're done when you take chicken breast into small pieces. Let's start the marination. So, the basic marination has ginger and garlic in all of them, and that's the basic for all. Let's take some salt for all of them. Let's sprinkle some salt. So, the salt is done. This is one of the marinade which I'm doing it with the raw mirchi, which is very seasonal. And whenever we get this raw mirchi, we make it into a paste and keep it. That's one of the variety. We add some turmeric also to it and make sure turmeric is added in all of it. We add some chili powder to the other varieties. Some dhania powder. This is dhania powder. And I have some interesting thing because one of the kids likes a little bit of Chinese influence. So I have some chili oil that is there. I put some chili oil in one of it, and along with the chili oil, we put some honey. So we can make honey chili chicken chili, and we add some sesame seeds to it. So this marination is done, and here we add some variety. We can add some chilies, extra chilies, and to one of it we can add good amount of curry leaves because I just love curry leaves, and to one of it you can add good amount of coriander. This we can add lime juice. So all of them we can add lime juice. It fastens cooking. And the tandoori variety that I wanted, I'm just adding some garam masala to it because rest of it I don't add any masala. Some cloves, some whole spices, and some cardamom. You must have seen all these go actually into the oil, but this is one type of a cooking which I make sure that everything is there and you just put it right onto the flame. So for the tandoori, I just put some mustard oil. For rest of it, I put some cold pressed groundnut oil. So this way I mix everything and keep so that you have 4 dishes all set, and whenever you want you just pick it up and right away go onto the flame. And specifically I cook it on my iron kadai. This is very important because when you use cast iron, nutrition is also preserved as well as heat. To the tandoori thing, I also add some curd, some high protein curd, so that it gives that creamy texture to the tandoori chicken. So whenever I'm tossing these chicken items, I make sure that I toss along with them some veggies, some capsicums which are absolutely healthy, and some onions so that we get some volume and some fiber. So we made 2 varieties under 5 minutes. This is for taste.